Dog. Bike blogger here. On my way to work. Topic of the day, bike upgrades. Ugh, spit on myself. Bike upgrades. So, what are some recommended bike upgrades? Let's go straight. Comfort. Number one, I think. Comfort. So you should get a bike upgrade that would entail anything related to comfort items. That would be like a saddle. Something that might, you know, be more comfortable on your butt. Bigger tires, wider tires, something with more volume so you can run lower air pressures and have more cushion. And there's other things like points of contact to the bike. Handlebars, pedals, things of that nature. No right. Go left then. Going a slightly different way today. Gonna go on the trail. The trail is mostly complete, at least the segment I ride on normally. Make a left here. It's safe to do so. Or right, I mean. I'm looking left, so I'm thinking left. But I want to make a right. There we go, we're gonna go down the alley. Yeah, bike upgrades. Like I said, I recommend, you know, get yourself a new saddle or some new tires. That will change the comfort of the bike the most. If you add another layer of bar tape, that will add to comfort too. Dog. Let's go across the road here. Get on the trail. Trail's not, it's kind of open. I can get as far down as I need to on it, all the way to Maplewood, Missouri. This is the bike trail. Brand new, really nice. Yeah, so bike upgrades. What do you recommend? What are some good upgrades for your bike? Like I said, tires, saddle. Yeah, I mean, if you got a fair bit of money, you could get whole new wheels for your bike. You'll definitely see a difference there in terms of your acceleration. Because usually the stock wheels that come with a bike are just pretty generic. And they're usually pretty heavy. So you swap out the wheels, that's probably one of the best upgrades you can do. But outside of that, I definitely recommend getting better tires to begin with. Something maybe more puncture resistant, or just some wider tires. So you got more comfort going over the potholed streets. Chuckles! Chuckles. Okay. Waiting on. Oh, no, exactly. Alright. Train! Train! I haven't seen a train for a while in my videos. Train, train, train! Yeah, so bike upgrades, what do you recommend? Obviously get yourself a good set of lights. In the United States, bikes do not come with lights. They only come with reflectors. Nice and smooth. Pretty loud and polluted underneath that overpass there. They're running a truck or a couple of trucks under there. It's creating all sorts of pollution. Those guys probably got to breathe it in all day. Maybe they should shut off the truck. It is kind of hot outside though. Although the weather's gotten down, it's like about 90 Fahrenheit. It's been triple digits recently though. Is this a moving truck? So let me know in the comment section below. What do you recommend doing to upgrade your bike if you're looking to spend some money? Maybe you want to bling out your bike. Get yourself a gold crank. Clipless pedals I think are awesome. However, I mean, that's a personal preference of mine. But, I mean, if you're only commuting a few miles, or maybe 15 miles, you could get away with flat pedals. You know, platform pedals, regular old pedals. I like clipless though. I just feel more connected to my bike, because I am. Make a left. Huh. That little motorbike that passed going the other way a second ago, it made a weird braking noise. Always make sure your brakes are working. Very important. I guess that's another good upgrade. Get yourself some aftermarket brake pads. Something that'll give you more stopping power. You don't need a ton of stopping power, really, to stop a bike. You just want to have some nice, good, grippy, clean, or dirty, I guess, gritty brake pads. Something that will stop you. Versus those glazed over ones that usually come stock on bikes. You can scruff them up though, and they'll work pretty good. But yeah, definitely brake pads. That's a cheap upgrade, you know, $5, $10, whatever. Almost to work now. Well, that was a pretty short one. Thanks for coming along with me on this bike commute to work. That guy was U-turning or something like that. I don't know what his deal was. I've seen a couple funny motors. You always see some funny things on a bike that you don't see as often in a car because you're moving faster and I don't know, maybe you're not paying as much attention as you should be to cars when you're in a car because you feel so safe in a car versus a bike. But you follow the rules of the road, ride in a straight line, use the mirror, look over your shoulder, signal, communicate, and you'll be fine. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think. See you next time.